Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up the Brother MFC-J1215W printer step by step. We'll cover unboxing, paper loading, ink installation, print quality check, and Wi-Fi setup. So let's get started. First, unbox the printer carefully. Remove all protective tapes, plastic covers, and packing materials from the printer and accessories. Now, pull the paper tray completely out of the printer. Open the output paper tray cover. Fan a stack of plain letter-sized paper and place it into the tray. Adjust the paper guides so they fit snugly against the paper without bending it. Close the output tray cover and slowly push the paper tray back into the printer. Finally, pull out the paper support and unfold the flap to prevent printed pages from falling. Next, connect the power cord to the printer and plug it into a wall outlet. Open the ink cartridge cover located at the front of the printer. Unpack the starter ink cartridges and install each one into its matching color slot. Press firmly until each cartridge clicks into place, then close the ink cartridge cover. The printer will now prepare the ink system. This process takes about 6 minutes and is completely normal. Do not turn off the printer during this step. Once ink preparation is complete, the printer will automatically print a print quality check sheet. Check all 4 color blocks on the sheet. If quality is poor, if any color looks faded or broken, clean the printhead using the control panel and repeat the test. This ensures sharp and accurate printing. Now it's time to connect the printer to your computer or mobile device. On your computer or smartphone, open a browser and go to setup.brother.com. Download and install the Brother software. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the Wi-Fi setup. Brother recommends using a computer for easier setup, but mobile setup is also supported. That's it! Your Brother MFC-J1215W printer is now ready to print and scan. You can also install the Brother Mobile Connect app to print directly from your phone. The default administrator password is printed on the back of the printer. For security, make sure to change this password after setup. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more printer setup guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.